Welcome to Wrike, a place with infinite possibilities for teams to collaborate, automate, and accelerate. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with the world's most powerful work management platform. Let's dive in. Let's start with spaces. Each team in your organization can have its own space in Wrike and set permissions to limit access to the space. This keeps all your work private and secure. Here's how to begin managing your work in Wrike using projects. Whether your team is working on launch campaigns, feature releases, or events, they're all projects. Projects are multi-step initiatives that have a clear goal, a responsible person, and a deadline. Creating a project in Wrike is a great way to organize, manage, and report on your team's work. Each of your projects will have a list of tasks to be completed. Let's create a few tasks in this project. Next, we'll assign and schedule the tasks, so your team members know who is responsible for what and when it should be done. Create folders for additional structure in your space. Use them to store relevant or similar projects, or for organizing tasks within your project. Every team and project is different, but you'll want to keep things consistent with specific references to your work. For this, Wrike speaks your language with custom fields. Here's an example budgeting project. We'll add budget fields to monitor actual versus planned fees and costs. We can input a calculated field, which reflects values automatically in real time. Use Wrike's customizable views to fit your unique work style. You can review your project schedule on a visual timeline called a Gantt chart. Connect tasks with dependencies to easily spot any task conflicts. If tasks are planned incorrectly, they will be rescheduled automatically when a dependency is added. The beauty of the Gantt chart is that you can adjust the schedule of your entire project with just a few clicks. Teams that use an agile methodology may prefer the board view, which shows tasks as tiles on boards grouped by status, so you can track progress according to your workflow. Statuses can be customized to reflect exactly how your team works, and Board View provides easy access to these settings. Move tasks between stages with ease. Quickly identify team bottlenecks and make better decisions to move your work forward. When you decide which view suits you best, set it as the default for each project. Now you know how to create a project, but you don't want to fill it with work manually every time. If your team receives a lot of similar requests, you can streamline work intake with Wrike request forms. Let's set one up for the IT Help Desk team. You can make a request form external if you'd like users to access your form outside of Wrike, like on your website homepage. Request forms ensure that all relevant request details are included, enabling your help desk team to begin addressing the issue as soon as possible. Request forms automatically capture, assign, and schedule work. Have you received a notification? Let's see what it is. Your inbox shows notifications about new tasks assigned to you, @mentions, and any other important updates, so nothing falls through the cracks. This is a question from Roger, the designer. He wants approval on an advertising poster he's been working on. You don't want to hold him up, so let's answer right now. Roger will receive a notification in his inbox. The approval made through the Proofing and Approval feature allows you to easily set up an effective reviewing process, not only for images, but for documents, HTML assets, and videos too. Move the work of your creative team forward. Make instant reviews and approvals, and publish assets faster. While here, let's take a closer look at this task. Put your description here and edit it at the same time as other team members. Give a detailed description of everything you need to work on within the task and attach all related files. Everything is in one place and up to date, helping to reduce unnecessary communication. Wow, the work is in full swing. Your team has grown, and Wrike grows with you at scale. Wrike has many tools to keep collaborative work more transparent and efficient for big teams. Let's set up a dashboard so you can view everything your team is currently working on at a glance. Dashboards are the most flexible way to get visibility into work across teams, projects, and statuses. Here's the team and the tasks from all projects currently assigned to them, organized by status. You can use dashboards like this in daily meetings. How do you decide if you can take on a new project right now? Who should manage it? Let's look at the team workload in the Resource Management tool. Resource management tools make it easy to compare and visualize resource availability against current and incoming pipelines. As you can see, Peter has the capacity to take on the task, so let's assign it to him. We can also see that Jane is overloaded with tasks. We need to save her from burnout. We know how hard it is to collect status updates when there are multiple projects running for different clients across several teams. It's time to stop wasting time checking in. But how? We can create a report for that. It will quickly gather and display the up-to-date data you need from your tasks and projects. Wrike reports are flexible, and you can customize them for any of your needs. With Wrike's Enterprise subscription, you can build advanced analytics reports. Gold standard data visualization with rich tuning capabilities enables the most meaningful insights for your team. Let Wrike reduce and automate your repetitive manual work even further. Eliminate mundane tasks with our powerful automation engine. Want to ensure important work is not missed? Let Wrike remind you. Tired of manual task assignment? Automate it. Need to reduce the administrative burden of archiving completed work? Wrike can take care of it. Wrike's many automation tools can help speed up processes and reduce human error. If you find it difficult or time-consuming to plan for risks, Wrike's artificial intelligence can calculate your risks by many factors, such as project complexity, task activity, or the owner's previous project history. Risk management has never been easier with Wrike's intelligence. You can also integrate Wrike with almost any tool. Enter the data once and connect it to multiple applications you already use, such as messaging apps, CRM, marketing, accounting, or HR. Stay in touch with your team and get instant responses using Wrike mobile applications, available for iOS and Android devices. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and explore what Wrike can do for you.